All adults are now eligible for a COVID-19 booster shot. The CDC panel endorsed the move this afternoon. News 8 Now's Emily Haugen is live in studio to explain why now and where you can get yours.
Hi, Amy. I spoke one-on-one with the White House's vaccine coordinator. He says we have to do everything we can to protect each other. The holiday travel season is underway.
Because we are starting to see an increase again in COVID-19 cases, not just here within our community, but really across the state and across the country.
And just in time, the CDC endorsed Pfizer and Moderna vaccine boosters for all U.S. adults.
We estimate at least 75% of the adult population is already eligible for a booster based on the existing criteria. So this would make it an option for about that remaining 25%.
Adults who received their last shot at least 6 months ago can get a booster.
What we're learning is that immunity does wane about 6 months after that second vaccine, and so it's really important to get that third dose to boost immunity back up to levels that would protect you against a serious infection that might require hospitalization.
As more data come along, the FDA and the CDC will act based on the new data, and that's exactly what we're seeing and what's playing out right now.
The Johnson & Johnson booster received authorization last month. Adults who received the one-dose shot can get their booster 2 months after their first.
We have to do everything we can to protect people. We know if you're unvaccinated, you're 5 to 6 times more likely to end up catching this virus. You're 10 times more likely to end up in the hospital and 11 times more likely to die from this virus compared to someone who's vaccinated.
Healthcare experts say getting the booster is an effective way to curb effects of the pandemic.
What that booster does is it really boosts your body's internal antibodies so that you have ongoing and increased immune system response should you encounter COVID-19.
And gather with family again, safely. A White House representative says it is too early to predict when kids will be eligible for their boosters. Both Mayo Clinic and Gunderson Health System plan to offer the booster for all adults beginning Monday, November 22nd. We'll have the details on how you can schedule your shot on our website, news8000.com.
All right. Thank you, Emily.